Welcome back to Willard Public Library's virtual Crafternoon. On our February episode, we're going to be making Fluttering Hearts Valentine greeting cards. Craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk at Willard Public Library while supplies last. Each kit includes one 5x7 cardstock greeting card and a corresponding envelope, one 6-inch ruler, and 24 paper hearts. You will also need one pencil with an eraser, a writing utensil to sign your card, and glue, either liquid or stick will work. To start, use the scored line on your card and fold it in half. Next, we're going to use our pencil and our ruler to mark down where each heart needs to go so that they are evenly spaced. Align your ruler with the bottom of the card and the side edge and put a mark anywhere along the top of the ruler. Now align the bottom of your ruler with that mark that you just made. Here we're ready to make a guideline for where we're going to put our first row of hearts. So you're going to make a mark at the 1-inch mark, the 2.5 mark, and the 4-inch mark. Move the bottom of your ruler up so that they align with the 3 marks that you just made, and do it again. The 1-inch mark, the 2.5-inch mark, and the 4-inch mark. You're going to keep repeating this process 4 times, so you should have 4 rows of dots. At this point, you can go back and erase that very first mark that we made at the very beginning. Now we're ready to glue on our first set of paper hearts. So take one of your paper hearts, put a little bit of glue on one side, and then you're going to use those pencil marks that you created as a guideline. So put the point of the heart on the pencil mark, just like this. You're going to press the heart down completely, and just repeat that process 12 times. Next step is where the fluttering comes in. You're going to take your remaining 12 hearts and fold each one in half, just like this. When you're ready, put a little bit of glue on the fold of each of your hearts, then stick them onto the hearts that are already glued down to your card. The idea is that you want the edges of the hearts to remain unstuck. This is going to give your card that 3D effect. Repeat this process for each of your 12 hearts. Once the glue is completely dry, write a message to your Valentine on the inside of the card and you're all set.